Namaste children, I hope you all are fine.
Now we are going to see the third sum from exercise 2.2. The question is, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? See, in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. The unequal length measurement is given, that is 4 by 3 centimeter, and perimeter of the triangle, perimeter of the isosceles triangle value is given. Now we have to find the equal length side measurement. Formula for perimeter of triangle is nothing but a plus b plus c. It's nothing but what? Sum of all three sides. So a plus b plus c is equal to 2 by 15. And here A and C are equal length. We have to find that length only. Base side value is given. That is 4 by 3 centimeter. So instead of A, I am going to substitute 4 by 3. And instead of C, I can take it as A. Why? Because it is an isosceles triangle. So these two sides are equal. So I have written C as what? A. It is equal to 2 by 15. Now a plus a is nothing but 2a plus 4 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 15. Now you can bring plus 4 by 3 in the right side. It will become as minus 4 by 3. And here it is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper. If we convert into improper, we will get 15 fours are 60, 60 plus 2, 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Now we cannot subtract directly because the denominators are not same. So we have to take LCM. LCM for 15 and 3 is 15. Here there is no change because already the denominator value is 15 only. So just to multiply with 1 alone. So 62 ones are 62 minus, and here we have 3. To get 15 we have to multiply by 5. So numerator also we should multiply by 5. 4 5s are 20. So 2a is equal to 62 minus 20 by 15. If we subtract 20 from 62, we will get 42 by 15. This is 2a value. Therefore, a is equal to 42 by 15 divided by 2. Because left side in between 2 and a we have product. So to find that value, to find the value of a, I have brought product 2 in the right side. It will come in denominator. You can write this as 2 by 1. If you want to bring this fraction in numerator, take reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. Here we can simplify. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. So a is equal to 21 by 15. Still we can simplify. Why? Because both are multiples of 3. So I can divide by 3. If I divide by 3, both numerator and denominator, I can get what? 7 and denominator 5. This is improper. We can convert this one into mixed fraction. If you want to convert into mixed fraction, just divide 7 by 5. Only 1 5 is there. Subtract it. So the answer is 1 2 by 5. That means in that isosceles triangle, the equal length measurement is 1 2 by 5 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the remaining equal sides is nothing but 1 2 by 5 centimeter. One more time I will just explain. Here perimeter of the isosceles triangle value is given. and in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. I have taken AB and AC are equal sides, and I can give name for that A, and for AC C, and for BC I have taken as B. Perimeter formula is nothing but A plus B plus C, sum of all three sides. And here perimeter value is given, that is nothing but 4 2 by 15. The unequal length alone is given, so I have substituted instead of B as 4 by 3. Then here I have taken as A. Why? Because two sides are equal in an isosceles triangle, so that instead of C I have taken as A. Either you can change C as A, or you can convert A as C. Any one of the variable alone you just convert into one unknown. Here I have converted C into A. But now you can add these two because same variable, same power. So 2A plus 4 by 3, that is equal to perimeter value. Next I have brought this plus 4 by 3 in the right side. It will become as minus 4 by 3. Next step, I have converted this one into improper. Directly we cannot subtract, so I have converted into improper. The next step, I have taken LCM. After taking LCM, I got 15 as LCM. Then I have changed the numerators. Then I got 2A value. To find A value, I brought product to the right side. Then I have taken reciprocal for this 2 by 1. If you want to write in product, we should take reciprocal. Then I have simplified. I have got the equal side measurement. Therefore, in an isosceles triangle, the equal sides measurement is nothing but 1 2 by 5 centimeter. I hope you understood this with the same model. Just practice more sums. Thank you, children.